skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you.
Okay, guys, so this is what we are going to be needing to make our bomb inside out stuffed turkey burgers. Okay, so of course I have some ground turkey right here. This is a pound. All right, I have a red onion, of course my seasoning blend. You can of course order this using the link in the description box below. Really good. If you don't have my seasoning blend and you're lacking, you can of course use some adobo, throw some herbs and spices in it. I'm not about to tell you guys what's in mine, but it's a really good seasoning and it's affordable. So go get you one, hun, okay? So we're gonna be using that. And my turkey burgers, I like to put a small little dash of curry powder. I have some Worcestershire sauce. I have some of this Kingsford hickory smoke barbecue sauce. Okay, you can use whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is. I have a red onion back there, some minced garlic. I have, y'all, Ronnie be eating like sandwiches on these, so I only have 3 left, but it's only 1 pound of ground turkey, so this should be fine. I should have enough to make 3 burgers. All right, so I have 3 sweet Hawaiian hamburger buns. Okay, really good. These are like, well, they're Hawaiian rolls, but burger size. All right, I have some spinach, some of these Monterey Jack cheese blocks, some pepper jack cheese slices, and we just have some Irish butter for our buns. Okay, so that's all we need to make these bomb turkey burgers. All right, these are gonna be the best turkey burgers you ever made, honey. All right. Okay, y'all, so I did a quick mise en place really quick. That is 2 cups of the spinach. I have 3 slices of the pepper jack cheese, 3 of those blocks of cheese. I just wanted to do it like this because you don't really want to be digging into the spinach or the cheese once your hands is dirty from mixing up the ground turkey. So I just laid this out for me real quick. Okay, all right, y'all, so we have our bowl right here. Sorry if you hear a little noise. I have the dryer going with some clothes, some laundry in it. You know, this is real life, honey. All right, so here is the ground turkey. Into the bowl it goes. To this ground turkey, I am going to add, let me do this first. A teaspoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Oh, that, y'all see this color? This Kingsford, I got put onto this like over the summer and I like it. Look how rich this color is. Y'all see that? You know what? I'm gonna put another one. Cause I know some people put eggs in there, so I don't like eggs in my turkey burgers. So that's 2 tablespoons of the barbecue sauce. Okay? Yeah. Next I'm gonna put a tablespoon of this Worcestershire sauce. What do y'all call it? Worcestershire. Anyway, I'm putting a tablespoon. Next, I'm gonna put a dash of curry powder. Not a super lot. I say about half a teaspoon. Like that right there is enough. It just gives it like a little something. I don't know, it just complements the turkey well. Every time somebody tastes like my turkey meatballs, my turkey meatloaf, or my turkey burgers, they be like, what is that? My little secret is the curry powder. Okay, now here is my seasoning blend, my baby. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and season this with about a teaspoon, not too crazy. Okay, so here's how it's looking. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. I'm gonna start with my little spoon just to get the rest of that curry powder and the sauces up off of the spoon. Okay. You know, you gotta add a little bit of moisture to your turkey burgers. Y'all can see my dishes in the back. Yeah, I swear I'm gonna wash some dishes in a minute. I started my dishwater. I know you can see the bubbles and stuff in there. I'm working on that as soon as I'm done. Alright. So you gotta add a little bit of moisture to your turkey, because sometimes turkey could be dry. So that's why I add the barbecue sauce to it. Look at that. This is gonna be bomb. This smells so good, and it's not even cooked yet. So we have that nice and mixed up. This is gonna be super flavorful. Okay, so I went and I laid down some wax paper right here just to put our patties on. My hands are nice and clean. Let's go ahead and start putting these together. I should have went and got a glove, but I didn't. So we're gonna make it do what it do. Okay? So I'm gonna take a scoop. I want to make 3 burgers, so let me portion this out in 3. So okay, so you want to take a third of your mixture, and you're going to pat it out flat. Okay, super flat. Then you're going to take the pepper jack cheese, and you're going to fold it into 4s. Okay, put that right there in the middle. Take a handful of the spinach, like smush it in the middle. If some falls out, that's fine, it's going to do that. Then you want to take your block, put that right on top, and then just fold the edges over. Okay? A little bit more of the filling, put it on the top, and then you can do it that way too, because I like mine stiff. Okay? Stuff them in. You know what I'm gonna do, y'all? Hold up. I'm gonna just make 2 big burgers, because this is real life, y'all. Okay? I'm gonna make 2 big burgers, and they just gonna be extra cheesy, okay? So I'm gonna put another half a slice of this pepper jack cheese, and another half a brick of the Colby. And then I'm gonna put more meat on top. I'm gonna just do it that way. Y'all make 2 burgers. It's just gonna be 2 big old burgers, okay? This is gonna be a meal. And then just close it up that way, just to make it easier. Cause y'all see I'm struggling a little bit. See that? And just close the meat around it. Look at our monster burger, y'all. Okay, so here's the first one. These are like good burgers. What is it, Mandu burgers? Y'all remember that Keenan and Kel movie? Look at that. Alright. This is gonna be cheesy. These burgers is a meal, honey. These burgers are a meal. Ooh, let me try to see if I can form it on the wax paper. Maybe that'll be easier. You guys, I usually make these with beef. You know, beef is a little bit more sturdy than turkey. So, we both learning as we go. Okay, I think that looks good. There goes our first burger. That is a big old burger, y'all. These are meals. Okay? So let's work on this next one. Whoa. Alright. So here's our meat. We're gonna put the 1.5 slices of the pepper jack. spinach. Press that in. The block and a half of the Colby. These are gonna be cheesy. Alright. Now let's see if we can form on the wax paper. Okay, so we're gonna sit that down. Fold the sides up some. Can y'all see it? Fold the sides up some. And then we're going to take the rest of that meat and kind of form a patty and lay that on top and form them together. Oh yeah, see? I think this is how we gonna do it from now on, okay? So let's form these together. Okay guys, so here are our turkey burger patties that are stuffed with all that goodness. Okay, they look good. I have my pan heating up over there. I'm going to go ahead and slice up this onion real quick. Alright, got the onion sliced up. I think our pan is hot. Lego. Okay, so in this pan, I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil. Just because, you know, turkey is very lean. You want it to have, like, you know, a little moisture. So just a little olive oil. Alright, let's go ahead and put the first one. Okay. Now I'm going to add the onions in on the side. Now I have my stove on 6. We're going to go ahead and let these cook. This is how our burgers are looking. I'm going to let it get a nice good crust on the bottom before I even try to flip them. Because these things is heavy, y'all. Okay? Alright, y'all. Alright, let's hold our breaths. Here's the moment of truth. Woo! Okay. Okay. Now here's the big mama. Oh, man, cheese is coming out. Oh my gosh, yeah, look at that. Either way, it's gonna be good. Okay? Wow. Let me go ahead and put this again. Oh, y'all, it's so cheesy. Look at that. It's gonna be good. Okay, y'all, let's butter a couple of these buns up. Okay? Right now, let's toast our butter buns. Okay, so our buttered buns are perfect. Toasting the bun just makes all the difference, right? Okay, guys, so these are done. We're going to take them out. Put them on here. Wow, that is a big old burger. Cooking these onions. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of barbecue sauce into the onions. It smells so good. Okay, so these look super good. I'm going to go ahead and put these on top of the burgers. Okay, you guys, so here are our stuffed turkey burgers. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. They look so good. You guys know I had to cut these things open. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. You guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe now. Look at that. Yo. This is a meal. One of these is a meal. Okay?
Robert Ortega Jr.? Which writer did you think of? Who is Orwell? No, that's incorrect. It'll cost you.
Don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming for that #1 spot.